Alright guys, so now we've taken the box out of the wall. As you can see here, this is the box that was in the wall. You're going to want to pry open the plastic clips down in the back to get the wire loosened up. And remember I told you about the notches over here? These notches are going to illustrate where the stud is. I just kind of put that together now. I know it's kind of simple, but that's something you can look for too when it's in the wall. But once you pry it off the wall, you need to get the nails out, which these are your nails. These slide through clips that are there, and it nails to the wall. You're going to pull your nails out, cut these plastic pieces off because we are going to reinstall this. That's just how it looks like once it's removed. Now the next step is going to be determining how much space we have with where we're going to install our outlet on the outside. So we're going to have to transfer a measurement from the inside to the outside, but how do you do that? First things first, we're going to need to figure out how much space we have to work with, so follow me this way. We're going to take our fish tape, stick it down into the box until it stops. It stops right there. We're going to pull it out. And this is how much space you have. Now, I've already measured it, but it's 19 inches, give or take. Okay? 19 inches from the bottom of this box down, I have free space to be able to install an outlet. But I need to know how much space do I have that way. So we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to shove it in the wall this way until it stops. Once it stops, you'll mark it with your finger and pull it out. Take this and measure it. Same thing. This is going to be 16 inches just about because it's a full stud. So now I know I have 19 inches down, 16 inches over. But I need to be able to find a measurement on the outside of the house that I can use for that, right? This box is not visible on the outside, but this window is. So I'll need to figure out where's that box in relation to this window. And the way we do that, we'll measure over to the glass, which is visible on both sides of the wall. Now see, I got it about 13.5 inches over. And then from the countertop to the bottom of the glass is 13.5. From the countertop to the bottom of the outlet is 7.5. The difference between the two is 6 inches. So this box is 6 inches down from the glass and 13.5 over. And then you do the math and add your spacing to that, and you'll know what the window is that you have where you can install an outlet, drill a hole, and safely get a wire up to this position. Check back in on the next video for the next update.